Have you noticed those viral Korean baseball fan cam videos all over TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels? KBO stadium fan cams have become a huge trend because they capture authentic crowd reactions, energetic cheering, and cinematic broadcast-style moments that feel like they were taken straight from live TV. Today, I'll show you how to create your own AI-powered KBO stadium fan cam videos using Crun AI. With just a simple prompt and a few clicks, you can turn a simple idea into a viral-looking stadium fan cam clip. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate a realistic stadium fan image with GPT Image 2. First, go to GPT Image 2. The goal is to create a photorealistic image that looks like it was captured during a live KBO broadcast. As shown here, I'm using a prompt. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, quality settings, output format, and moderation. Then click Generate. As you can see, the image looks incredibly realistic, almost like it came directly from a televised KBO game. Step 2. Convert the image into a viral fan cam video. Now let's bring the image to life. Open Grok Imagine and switch to image to video mode. Upload the image we just created. For the animation prompt, use something like this prompt focuses on realism rather than exaggerated motion. Set the mode, duration, resolution and aspect ratio you prefer, then click Generate. Step 3. Review the generated video. After rendering, you'll get a short stadium fan cam clip. The AI adds subtle movements that make the scene feel alive. These details are exactly what make fan cam videos feel authentic and highly shareable on social media. And that's how you can create viral AI stadium fan cam videos inspired by the Korean baseball trend using Crun AI. Ready to create your own viral fan cam videos? Visit Crun AI. Try GPT Image 2 and Grok Imagine, and start building your next viral sports video today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and share it with other AI creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.